This is a railroad track. You can see we talk about railroad track later. They are normally issued at 12 o'clock, like I said. Every 12 o'clock, if you check and you are expecting M, you don't find the M, you see double candles like this. We call them railway track.
Okay.
Okay, and they normally appear at 12 p.m. or 12 a.m. That is their time. They don't come at any time except 12 p.m. and 12 a.m. So I'll explain it later. It will be part of our candlesticks. So now this is level 1. That is level 2 drop. Then there's a stop hand here that led to level 3. And you can see the W forming in the level 3 so well. So in this W, this is level 1. After the railroad track, there's consolidation here. It led to level 2, then gave us this stop hand, and it came down to issue level 3 that we are seeing here. Now, at the end of the level 3, look at what happened. There was a W which goes like that and comes like that, and it issues it here. Yeah. So this actually was the part that we can see the failure swing, because this side is taller compared to this side.
Yeah.
So this is the failure swing. Now that we have identified the failure swing there, the next thing we will look for is the swing high. Sorry, the swing low, because it's a downtrend. So the swing low is the lowest, which is this red candle that we can see here.
Yeah.
That is the swing low. Yeah. So now that we have been also be able to find our swing low, what do? We look for the next candle after the swing low. So straight away, look at the next candle after the swing low. It was what?
Yeah.
It was a green candle. It's not that clear, but I think you can see it a little. It was a green candle. And the question is, that green candle, did it close above or below the SMA line? It closed a little above it. Yeah, a little above it. So it was an indication that we should enter. And the moment we entered, we had a level 1 rise, we had a level 2 rise, and then we had our level 3 that we are expecting here. So we have a level 1 rise here. We have the whole of this as level 2 rise. And then we have a level 3 here. And at the end of level 3, see the M that came. Failure swing is here. Yeah. So let's consider all the failure swings and see something. In this failure swing, you saw the indicator confirm where we should enter. Likewise, when we come into the M2, the indicator confirm where we should enter. And that is the beauty of using the indicators. They will always support what you are seeing. So if you don't see well, they will tell you what you have seen is not clear.
Exactly.
Is that real okay?
Yes.
All right. So I'll move to the next one. Then we'll look at it again. Okay. Now, when we come here we can see that even the SMA itself is giving us what we have been looking for. So here the SMA is telling us that this is a W, this side. So you can see a W from the SMA. When we come here, it's telling us that this is M. You can see the M there. Yeah, when we come here to the SMA is telling us that this is a W that is going up. Yeah, we can see it there. When you come here, it is telling you that this is the M. And it is telling us a whole lot of things. So the SMA will also help you to be able to identify your levels. Especially, look at this. This is level 1 drop. SMA is showing here. Then stop hand consolidation a little. Then it gave us level 2. Then from level 2, it consolidated a little, and it gave us level 3. And after level 3, you see the W forming here, and it gave us level 1, and it gave us another level here, which was level 2. But if you look at the candles, you'll be able to see them well, because even in this one, there are 3 levels, this short one.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is something little about that one too. So we'll pick one. I'm praying that the market will meet us so that we can look at a live trade and see what is happening there. Yeah, and just compare it with what we have talked about today. So basically, those are the things about the market maker levels. Now, I want you to use this one to explain, since this is clear. You are going to tell me my entry point and why you think it is my entry point. You also tell me the levels you can see. So I'm waiting. Let me activate your pencil and everything for you.
Okay.
All right. Okay, it's on, so you can start.
Fantastic. Okay.
Yeah.
So I think I'll start from here. You can see my
Mm-hmm.
pencil, right?
Okay.
You can see my pencil.
No, just draw something and let me see. So you pick it
Oh, okay.
again.
Okay. Let me pick the ink.
Okay.
All right. So here,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
okay. You realize that this is
Mm-hmm.
uh I think this would be a W.
Sure.
This is a
Sure.
W, and this
Mm-hmm.
is more like the failure swing.
Mm-hmm. That is perfect. You have
Now,
identified so well. So continue.
yes, we were expecting uh, after the failure swing, we were expecting a green candle, but a red was issued.
Mm-hmm.
So we
Yeah.
waited. Then the green candle was issued. It completed above the SMA,
Mm-hmm.
which is here,
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
which means that it's time for us to enter the market.
Exactly.
Yes. So I would have entered here.
Mm-hmm.
Then I come up here, the M here. I don't know if you can see. Is that right, my there?
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, I can see. What I can see is the first demonstration that you just did, but the
Oh,
second one I can't see
oh,
it.
okay. All right. So the second one, can you see my drawing?
Okay, yeah.
I think the
Mr.
network,
Patrick, tell
yeah,
us your first level, your first level, second level, third level.
yeah.
Yeah, because
You
right
mean
now
I should
what you
show
are
the
doing
first, second,
is
third
just
level?
yes. At least you try and identify them.
All right. Okay. So let me just erase these ones.
Okay.
Uh,
All
my
right.
my pen is not allowing me to clean.
Hello.
Okay. So if you can clean for me,
Let me
if
clean for you.
yes.
Yeah, just click on the dustbin. There's a dustbin. I don't know if you can see, but I can clean for you, so you can start.
Oh, great, great. All right. So
Mhm.
so then let me start afresh.
Okay,
So
sir.
I was saying that here, this candle
Mhm.
actually closed above the SMA. So that would have been where we enter the trade.
Okay,
Then
perfectly.
you will see this will be the first level of rise.
Mm-hmm.
Then you can see this will be the second level of rise.
Perfect.
Arguably, I can even extend it here.
Mm-hmm.
Number two. Then there is
Wow.
the stop hand here. Then the third
Mm-hmm.
level of rise.
Mm-hmm.
Then my M is issued here.
Yeah, that is good. That
Yeah.
is good. So what kind of M is this?
This is one M with two tops. I'm
Mm-hmm.
seeing one top here. No,
Mm-hmm.
okay. So these two shoulders, three
Mm-hmm.
with a head and two shoulders. This one
Perfect.
shoulder.
So you are seeing so well.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
a head, and this is the second shoulder.
That is very good. I'm so
Yes,
impressed. I'm so
yes,
impressed.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
All right.
Okay.
We
Voila.
So,
can continue from there.
all right. So this will be our failure swing.
Okay.
This will be our failure swing, and so we're expecting we're expecting a red candle.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see my screen? Okay, good. So this is
Mm-hmm.
my failure swing.
Perfect.
Yeah. So after the failure swing, I look for the, you call it the what? The zero, the high swing or low swing?
Swing high.
Swing high.
The swing high.
Okay. So the swing high. Okay. So I can see this red candle.
That is it. Exactly.
Yeah. Seem to be the highest among them.
Yeah, that is it. Exactly.
So we're waiting for the next candle to see whether we are supposed to enter the market. Fortunately, that candle forms and closes below the SMA. So that's an indication that we're supposed to enter the market.
That's so good, Mr. Patrick.
Yeah.
These are business brains. I can see.
I'm treated well.
Yeah. That is so good. Okay. That is
so we have the
good.
first
All right. So
level drop.
That is it.
Yeah. So here I'm a bit confused. I don't know whether this can qualify for a level drop because
no, it is part of the first level.
It's part of the first level.
Yeah, normally the levels are separated by stop hand. So
by stop
the
hands,
whole
okay.
of this up to here. Yeah,
It's
the only stop
actually...
hand you can see is this side.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So the whole of this is part of level 1 drop.
Level 1. So the whole of this is level 1 drop.
Yeah, that is it.
Then we have our stop hand here. Then level 2 was issued up to this point.
Yes,
then
sir.
our stop hand. Then level 3 was issued.
That is it.
Then our
that is so good. Yeah.
Yes.
That is so good. Wow.
So with the W, I'm seeing this will be our failure swing.
Exactly.
So we're expecting the green candle, which is, you see, I'm confused, Mr. Whiteman. Can you clean
Come
this for
again.
me? Let me look at something.
Okay.
I'm looking for the swing low, which seemed to be this. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. This.
That is it. That's the swing low.
Okay. Then the next candle actually closes above the SMA line. The next candle issued is red, so we are still waiting.
Yeah.
Then the next one which is issued is green, and it actually closes above the SMA line.
Yeah.
Which is an indication that we should go into the market. But that candle is too long.
Sure.
We would have lost so much.
It would have made a lot of profit.
I'm thinking that could we have entered the market here?
Yeah. We could
but
have.
at this
Actually,
point, I would have entered here. Yes, I'm listening. I'm confused as to whether we are entering the market here
or not,
or we are entering it here.
Okay, then let me take it from there and then explain a little. From here, what we can see is that straight away we have a type of W which looks like this, comes on like that, and then it goes up like that.
Yes.
So what we should be anticipating is this. You see, this side is far longer. But among these ones, the short side, this is a candle that was longer. But even as it was long, it couldn't break the tall side. You see, this one crossed the red line here, but this couldn't. So we can assume this candle as the swing low.
Swing low, okay.
Now, when we had that swing low, all the other candles that came close below the SMA. So we will not enter. So the only candle that closed above the SMA was this. So that is our entry.
Yeah. Okay.
Please, you understand? Now, when we entered with that, there was a green candle which gave us small profit. Then a red candle came. When this red candle came, look at something. It started, how did it start? It started by becoming a green candle. So it was able to cover up to this level. That is why the shadow is there. So assuming when it started, you were there, you were able to reach here. When it got here, it was long green. Let's assume that you were looking for 200. You have had your 200 here. What do? You come out. Please, do you see? Hello?
No, I'm not sure I got that part.
Okay. Now, I said that you were looking for a green candle, and
I didn't hear the last part.
Oh, okay. So this green candle rose up to this level. That has given you 200. And your target for the day is, let's say, 60 or 100. So now you have 200. What do? You back out. So if you come out, look at what will happen. The candle just changed color by going back. So it dropped right from where this long shadow was. And started coming down. It came here, started forming red, and then it ended with this kind of red. Now, don't give up because your prediction is still right. After I look at the green candle that came, it would have given you about 5,000. If only you were still in the market. So that is why I'm saying that if only you trade reversals, this is a reversal. If only you are going to trade in the W's and the M's, then your money will be so much all the time. Please, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So this red candle that came in couldn't do anything to you. All that it came to do is came to like frighten you a little, but straight away, because your prediction was right, you still managed to make your money here. And then this one also added to it for you. But I think even with this small green candle that came before it became red, you would have made your profit and you would have walked out. So you are not interested in this candle. You are not interested in this candle. But yes, if you stay, you make some profit.
Sure.
Yeah. So you'd have made your profit for the day long time. And that is how it is. Yeah.
Sure.
Sometimes too, when you come and the market is moving, maybe this candle has started, you check your prediction. It is not too late. Normally, when we say that it is too late to enter, it's when the market has crossed this side of the W. So you see the W has an inner side like this. If the market crosses here, then it is late for you to enter. But if you come and it is still within that time, then it's okay.
Okay.
So normally we use that as a technical point. This one, the middle part of the W and the middle part of the M.
Sure.
That is always our technical point.
Great.
If you come and the market has crossed it, it's now around here, then you know that you are late.
Yeah.
That is why somebody will say, I received a signal from somebody, but I entered late, so I lost everything. Though the signal was good, you were late to follow.
Yeah.
So that is a little about that too. So I'm so impressed with your prediction. Please, is it year 9? If it's 9, I can check the market if they are back. So
yeah,
that
it's
we look
9
at that
o'clock.
one too. Okay. So let's look at this before I go. So with this too, I want you to give a little explanation on what is happening here. Then from there we go to the live market. What is happening in this?
Okay. All right. Here I can see definitely a level which I will assume is level 3. I'm seeing an M because this top hand and an M is issued here. This is an M, so this will be our failure swing. And this, okay. Can you please delete this for me? Let me figure out the failure swing properly.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now I'm looking for my swing high in my failure swing, and the red, this seems to be higher. This particular one.
Perfect.
They look to be this one and the green seem to be the same, but I think it looks like a
You
shoulder
always go
high.
for the second one.
Yes.
Yeah.
So because it's a downtrend, we're expecting a green and a red candle, but the green
Yeah.
was issued.
Yeah.
This small one's a green, so we waited, and even more to the point, it's formed or it closed above the SMA.
Yeah.
So we had to wait.
Sure.
This red candle was issued, which closed above the SMA. So it was an indication that we entered the market.
Okay.
So we entered the market from here. Good. I guess
Yes,
my
sir.
prediction is right.
Yeah, it's perfect. You have done so much. It's so good, and I'm impressed. I'm
Great,
so much
great.
impressed.
Yeah.
That is actually what we are hoping, that you be bold when you are entering. You know what you are about. That
Exactly.
is the most important. So I'm so impressed. Can you take me through this part too, just a little, before we move to the market?
Okay.
This part also.
All right. So from
Okay.
here, you can see a level 1 drop here.
Okay.
Then we have the stop hand, then a bit of consolidation, then
Wow,
a
that's
level
so good to
drop,
see.
a
Wow.
level 2 drop.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so yes, I have my stop hand somewhere here.
Yeah. Oh,
So
actually,
I
where did
can
your level
assume
2 end? Uh-huh.
that is a stop hand. Then my level 3,
Mm-hmm.
the level 2 ended somewhere here.
Yeah, exactly.
My field pen seemed not to be writing.
Let me
It
clean
ends
so
somewhere
that
here.
you can continue. Mm-hmm.
Then the consolidation, then stop hand. Okay,
Okay.
great. Okay, so the level 2 actually ended somewhere here.
Perfect.
Here.
Mm-hmm.
Then the stop hand somewhere here. Then the
Mm-hmm.
level 3 was issued, which ended
Mm-hmm.
somewhere here.
Okay.
Then this is a bit of consolidation.
Mm-hmm.
This area.
Mm-hmm.
Then my W, I can see I am
Okay.
thinking my W is here.
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
Um, this is this is my failure. This is my failure swing.
Mm-hmm.
Then I see the is it, how do you call it? Is it swing low?
Yeah, swing low. When it
Swing
is down,
low.
it is
When
swing
it's a
low.
W, it's a
Mm-hmm.
swing low, right? And when it's an M, it's a swing high.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Great. So here my swing low is this candle,
Mm-hmm.
this red candle.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then this green candle was issued,
Mm-hmm.
and it seemed to have formed or closed above the SMA line. So I can enter the market from here.
Okay. That is good. That is
But
very good.
there is also, I'm also looking at
Mm-hmm.
here. This is a bit complex for
Show
me.
me. Yeah, I'll show you why it's complex.
Yeah.
So show me the next one you are seeing.
The next one is here, this one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay.
That one.
Yeah, it is
So
also an entry point.
uh-huh. Can, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. So I got a bit confused there. Because if you look at this, of course, this can be the swing low because the red can be the swing low because the green
Yeah.
is way above below it.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I think this might swing low.
Mm-hmm.
Am I
Now,
right?
what you should always look out for is that your swing low should always be compared to the previous swing to see which one. The previous should always be taller than that. So you can see that your swing low today is a little even taller than the former low. If you
Okay.
compare the two. So look
Mm-hmm.
at it from that angle. So that doesn't
Okay.
qualify this one as the swing low.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one cannot be the swing low because it is even taller than this.
Yeah.
So straight away, you should be looking for your swing low here, rather.
Oh,
So
okay.
definitely this red candle will be your swing low.
The swing low.
The issue
Okay.
started from here. You see, I told you the graph, irrespective of where you are, how you squeeze it is how you see it.
Mm,
So you saw well from here as your level one. That was
yeah.
good up to this side. Then you saw your level two ended here.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Okay, that is good. Then it gave a stop hand here and came to level
Yeah.
three.
Yeah.
So with the level three, that is where we have a side of the W like this, and another side comes like that. So
Comes down.
definitely, you should have seen your follower swing here as you saw.
Okay.
Okay. Somebody can also see level two up to this height, and then this is a stop hand. He sees level three here. Now, if he sees
Yeah.
level three here, then this is first part of W, second
The
part of
W.
W, and third part of W, making
Right.
the W with three to triple.
Okay.
So in that case, this becomes first part of W. This becomes
Yeah.
second part, and then this becomes the third part. And that makes this one level one, this one level two up to here,
Two.
and then level three came from here.
Okay.
Yeah, but you can see it in different perspective depending on how you squeeze your graph. If I this is a
Mm.
big graph, I've not squeezed, but if I squeeze, you see a different thing altogether. I want you
Okay.
to note this. Anytime you establish first three levels, okay,
Uh-huh.
and you don't see M forming or W forming,
Mm-hmm.
then a fourth level is coming.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but we don't have fourth level, so you consider that fourth level together with the third level as one level.
Okay.
I don't know if you get it.
I get you.
Like this one, you should have seen level one,
Mm-hmm.
then level two, then level
Yeah.
three here,
Yeah.
then level four.
Mm.
Do you see? But we don't have level four. So what we do is that you look for the one whose top hand is not clear. So I would rather consider the whole of this as part of what?
That's level
Level
two.
two.
Okay. Okay.
Then straight away, this will be my level one. If you can't do that too, side of it, that is another side of it, and then this is
Mm.
also another side of it.
Okay.
Yeah. So if, as for the graph, we will not see it the same all the time because if I squeeze mine, I'll see a different thing. But at the
Yeah.
end, you should be able to identify traits with W or M. Once you are able to find your failure swing, it is hallelujah for you. You can enter.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yes. Okay. So please, we get it from that side.
Yes.
Okay, so you have done so much work. So here, it's true. You can enter here. You can also enter here. Anywhere can give you profit because they are all
No.
within the predictions, and
Mm.
that is very good. Okay. Now that is nine. I don't know. Let me take you through a little, and then we move
Okay.
on. Now here is let's see if I can get another. Huh, look at this graph. It's not
Uh-huh.
clear, but I think we can look at it. Well, when you look at this graph, we can see that here, after the W formed,
Yeah.
after our W, let's say that if the W formed here,
Mm-hmm.
we had our first level rise here.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Excuse me for like one. 30 seconds. Let me fix this. Okay. Okay, let us take this.
Yeah.
Okay, so here, this was our W. We can see that straight away when we come down here, we find our W here. Here. So this was our level 1 rise.
Yeah.
Then in it, we can see another tall thing here. You can see another tall thing a little above, another tall thing, but couldn't go. Then it drops to this level to give us this one, which is, they are almost all of them at the same point.
The same height.
Yeah, we call it range. In range, we don't trade, and your indicator will tell you that it's a range. Though you can see short trade levels there, it's okay. If you're able to identify, then this one can be your level 1, as you can see here. Then this one will take up to be your level 2. This one will end your level 3. Then it drops again to give you level 1, level 2, and then level 3 with another W to give you level 1 up to here. Yeah. Then it gives you like that level 2. Then it comes down. So this is a range, and when it is a range, your indicator will tell you. So I'll talk about range another time.
Okay.
So you can see that in this one you have a lot of but you can see a vivid W here. So you enter, you make some profit just here, then you come out of the market. You leave all these things. You don't follow. Yeah. So that is why I'm saying, if you get your target for the day, just come out. Now in this M2, yeah, in this M, we can see that this is level 1. Then it gave us this and went down a little to give us this level 2. Then it consolidated, came with a stop hand and issued the level 3. So we can see that happening level 1. Then it came down a little, consolidated, gave us level 2, came down, stop hand, and issued level 3. See level 1, level 2, level 3. But our main focus is that we trade only in this part. We are not interested in the rest. We only trade in this part. We are not interested in the rest. That is the most important point. Okay. Yeah. So next time I'll take price action. It's a way I will explain the market maker levels, but here we change the names. We will be looking at higher highs and higher lows.